Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a matter in which the case of the assessee was transferred from Delhi to Mumbai on the reason that the revenue wants to transfer this case on the concept of administrative convenience and coordinated investigation. Generally, these cases are transferred when there are searches and the proper opportunity to the assessee is not given to explain his case, and even if the assessee raises some queries, even then the transfer orders are passed without saying a word about the objections raised by the assessee. So what is the fate of these type of transfer orders and what the right the assessee has in these type of cases? This issue has been taken up by Honorable Delhi High Court in the case of Kamlesh Kumar Jha versus Principal Commissioner of Income Tax. This case is reported in 469 ITR at page number 519 and the date of the judgment is 3rd October 2023. In the present case, the jurisdiction of the assessee was in Delhi with Circle 43(1). There was a search on the assessee and there was also a search on another assessee in Mumbai with which the assessee has some business connections. A letter was issued to the assessee for transfer of the case of the assessee from Delhi to Mumbai for the reason of administrative convenience and coordinated investigation. When this letter was received by the assessee vehemently opposed this transfer on the basis that the assessee is a resident in Delhi. The plea of the assessee was that his case should not be transferred because the assessee is the director of the companies which are based in Delhi, and it was also the plea of the assessee that the consultants of the assessee are also Delhi based. But when these objections were raised by the assessee before the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax has not said a word as to what prevailed her in directing the transfer, the case of the assessee from Delhi to Mumbai. The assessee filed a writ petition before Delhi High Court on two grounds. First of all, the transfer was not as per the principles of natural justice because the reasons has not been given for the transfer of the case, and the second ground of the assessee was that the transfer order was not containing the DIN number. When this matter was heard by Delhi High Court, the Honorable Delhi High Court was of the considered view that in the present case, the least of the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax could have done was to discuss in the briefest of the terms why these reasons which have been given by the assessee not to transfer the case did not prevail with her. The court said that it is not disputed that section 127 subsection 1 requires the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax to set forth reasons in the order. The court also said that mere incantation of the expression administrative control and coordinated investigation by itself conveys nothing, and the court also said that in the present case, since the transfer order does not contain DIN, so in the present case the transfer order is liable to be quashed, and the court quashed the transfer order with the liberty to the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax to review the matter and pass the order as per law. Friends, although it is a very welcome judgment by the Honorable Court and with due respect to the court, when the assessee faces this type of situation that his submissions are not taken care of, the orders are passed without considering his submissions, the assessee runs to the High Court by filing the writ petitions, and then by filing this writ petition is only giving a second innings to the department to play, because no costs are incurred on them, no costs are levied on them, and the assessee has to again go to the revenue and say that please pass a reason order. It has been seen that even after the directions of the court, whatever the submissions the assessees are given, and especially in the cases when the revenue has to transfer the case, they transfer the case whatever the reasons the assessee gives, and ultimately whatever the difficulties the assessee is facing are run over by the concept of administrative convenience and coordinated effort. So practically, when the transfer is done, the assessee submissions are not taken care of and the revenue transfers the case, whatever the inconvenience the assessee is facing in transferring his case, especially in this case when the case was transferred from Delhi to Mumbai. So now practically it has become the right of the revenue to transfer the case of the assessee by passing the order under section 127, and it has been seen that the court also even interfere much in these type of cases, and the revenue has got more or less a absolute right to transfer the cases. These type of powers and whatever the rights which have been given to the assessee are only eyewash, and when the revenue has to transfer the case, they transfer the case. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Kamlesh Kumar Jha, Shushma Jha versus Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 469 ITR at page number 519, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Delhi High Court on 3rd October 2023. Thank you, friends.